tayo isang mahirap na topic para sa isang matapang at matalino individual. This video is intended for grade 10 students and our topic is all about finding the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. I hope na makikinig kayo because at the end of our video, we'll be having a challenge. So yeah, without further ado, let's start. Enjoy! So for grade 10, we have finding the sum of the terms of an arithmetic sequence. So we have two equations. Ito nakikita nyo. The first equation, kapag given ang first term at saka last term. Itong gagamitin mo na equation. Ito, magagamit mo kapag walang binigay na last term. So, kapag first term lang yung binigay. First example, find the sum of the first 20 natural numbers. So, ang 20 natural numbers is numbers 1, 2, 3, hanggang 20. So, these are the first 20 natural numbers. So, ang gagamitin natin, since given yung first term, alam natin yung first term, which is 1. Alam din natin yung last term, which is 20. Ang gagamitin natin na equation is ang first equation. So, we have S sub n. Yung n natin is yung number of terms. So, ilan sila sa sequence? We have 20 natural numbers. So, 20, yung isa substitute mo kay n. So, 20 divided by 2. A sub 1 means the first term. Ano yung first term natin? 1 plus a sub n is our last term. Ang last term natin is 20. So, ito, 20 divided by 2, we have 10. 1 plus 20, we have 21. So, 10 times 21, ang answer is 210. Example number 2. Find the sum of 16 terms of the arithmetic sequence 8, 11, 14, 7. So, dito, hindi natin alam yung last term. Alam lang natin is yung first term. Ang gagamitin nating equation is equation number 2. So, S sub n is equal to, ang n natin is kung ilan yung term. So, we have 16 terms. So, 16 divided by 2 times 2 times a sub 1. So, meaning 2 times the first term. So, 2 times, ang first term natin is 8 plus n. Ano nga ulit yung n natin? 16. N is the number of terms. So, 16 minus 1. Yung d is yung common difference. Paano mo makukuha yung common difference? Hahanapin mo lang kung ano yung number na inad or sinubtract sa mga numbers na sumunod. So, 8. Ano i-add mo kay 8 para makuha si 11? 3. Ano i-add mo rather kay 11 para makuha mo si 14? 3 pa rin. So, ang common difference is 3. So, we have to simplify the equation. 16 divided by 2, we have 8. Times 2 times 8, we have 16. Plus, 16 minus 1, we have 15. Multiplied by 3, which is the common difference. We have 8 times 16 plus 45. 15 times 3 is 45. So, i-add lang natin to. We have 8 times 61. So, 8 multiplied by 61, we have 488 as our final answer. So, our last example, if the first n terms of the sequence 9, 12, 15 have a sum of 126, find n. So, ngayon, alam natin yung first term, alam din natin yung sum ng sequence. Ang hindi natin alam is kung ilang terms yung inad natin para makuha si 126. So, our equation, ang kukunin pa rin natin, ang gagamitin na equation is a second equation. Kasi, meron tayong first term pero wala tayong last term. So, we have S sub n. S sub n is yung sum ng terms, which is 126. So, 126 is equal to n over 2, hindi natin alam si n, times 2 multiplied by the first term, which is 9, plus n, hindi pa rin natin alam si n kasi yun yung hahanapin natin, minus 1, times d. Ano yung common difference? Ano i-add mo kay 9 para makuha si 12? 3. So, ito, magiging 126 is equal to n over 2. 2 times 9, we have 18. Plus, eto, i-distribute mo lang. 3 times n, we have 3n. Negative 1 times 3, we have negative 3. Meron pa bang common terms dire or similar terms? Yes, we have 18 and negative 3. So, meaning, eto, pwede pa natin i-combine. We have 126 is equal to n times 18 minus 3, we have 15. So, 3n plus 15 divided by 2 lahat. So, ito, pwede natin i-cross multiply. So, kapag cross multiply natin to 2 times 126, we have 252 is equal to n times 3n plus 15. In fact, pwede na natin to i-simplify kasi multiplied by 1 lang naman. So, n times 3n, we have 3n squared. N times positive 15, we have 15n plus 15n. So, ito, itra-transpose lang natin dito. Kasi, natumpok naman na yung equation natin dito. Dito na lang natin i-transpose sa kabilang side, sa may right side. So, since tumalon siya sa equal sign, ang positive magiging negative. Pero kapag hindi tatalon sa equal sign, same lang ng sign yung number. But since in this case, tumalon siya sa equal sign, yung positive gagawin natin negative. So, this will become 0 is equal to 3n squared plus 15n minus 252. So, maghahanap ka ng number na pwede i-divide nilang lahat. So, we have, anong number? We have 3. I-divide natin dito. 0 divided by 3, we have 0 pa din is equal to n squared plus 5n minus 84. So, ito na yung equation natin. We just have to factor this. Maghahanap daw tayo ng factors ni 84 na kapag minus natin, lalabas is 5. Factors of 84, we have 7 times 12, 1 times 84. Ano pa ba? Meron pa? I think wala na. Correct me if I'm wrong, ha? So, alin dito, yung kapag minus mo daw, ang lalabas is 5. We have 7 and 12. So, para malaman natin kung anong sign ng kada isa, we'll just look for the sign of the number na katabi ni n or si B, kung anong sign ni B. So, we have positive. So, ito, yung sign dito, yun yung sign na mas malaki na number. So, ang mas malaki na number is 12. So, ang factors natin is n minus 7. Opposite dapat siya ni 12. So, n plus 12. Opposite sign. Bakit? Kasi negative times positive, negative dapat yung answer. So, we have, solving for n minus 7 is equal to 0. Tsaka, n plus 12 is equal to 0. So, itra-transpose lang natin to. Tatalon siya sa equal sign. Ang negative magiging positive. So, n is equal to 7. In this case, n plus 12. Tumalon din sa equal sign. Magiging negative 12. So, sa equation natin kanina, since yung arithmetic sequence is 9, 12, 15, and so on, hindi naman negative yung number of terms. So, automatically, this is what we call an extraneous root. Ang extraneous root is solution ng quadratic equation na hindi siya magagamit sa problem. So, we have n is equal to 7. Meaning, 7 terms. So, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. So, ito, 7 terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Itong 7 terms na to, kapag in-add natin, ang lalabas is 126. So that ends our discussion, and for our challenge, solve the given problem. Ayun, sana po meron po kayo natutunan, at sa maliit na effort po ito, sana po naibsan po yung stress na nararamdaman. And if you do love my videos, don't forget to like and subscribe below. So next week po, meron po tayo another batch of content para po sa grade 7 to grade 10, which will be the lessons that are going to be discussed next week in accordance po sa school year 2020-2021. So, yes, sana po makikita ko pa po kayo. Hanggang sa ulitin mga kaduos. Bye-bye!